Welcome back to this special edition of This Week in Louisiana Agriculture from Frankenmuth, Michigan. As we told you earlier, the winning entry that brought us here was submitted by Joan Marie Weiss. She and her husband Roger and their 3 children operate what could be called the classic family farm, at least by Midwestern standards. This Week in Louisiana Agriculture's Ryan Naquin spent some time with the Weisses during our visit and brings us their story. I'm Mike Dana. Good to see you. How are you?
Pretty good, thank you.
A warm greeting on a chilly day here at the Weiss family farm. Joanmarie Weiss rushed to meet Twila TV host Michael Dana. You might call that kind of greeting Southern hospitality, but you can't say that when you're 1,100 miles north in Michigan.
Just roll it out.
A Michigan pretzel party, the equivalent of a Louisiana crawfish bowl, showed off the Weisses' playful side. However, when talking to the Weisses about their 155-head dairy operation, it's all business.
We don't buy any dairy cows. We do buy bulls. We buy registered bulls from Green Meadows Farm down in Elsie, Michigan, and have them brought here.
Oh, boss.
Twice a day, every day, Roger Weiss, his son Scotty, and daughters Lydia and Margie milk 52 of their dairy cows, once at 6 a.m. and again at 6 p.m.
Nice cow. How about that? Good old 321.
Roger says he's been milking cows his entire life and knows that dairy production is a lot different from any other kind of farming.
I think that cash crop farmers work very hard in the seasons. They have a more seasonal job than I do. My job is 365 days.
This barn is over 100 years old, and it's actually the longest hip-roof dairy barn in all of Frankenmuth Township. Oh yeah, by the way, each and every one of these cows produces about 8 gallons of milk each and every day.
Because of the cooler climate, Michigan cows produce more milk than Louisiana cows. This higher yield allows the Weisses to keep a smaller operation.
We don't have any hired labor to speak of. We have family help, and we do have friends and things, and yes, they are paid, but they are not coming and punching a clock or, working every day. Is there something to do, they'll come over and do it. Otherwise, they come over and visit.
We raise all of our own corn and alfalfa for the cows. We buy protein, usually buy canola meal, and we buy our vitamins and minerals.
Though Roger says the everyday life of a dairy farmer has taken a toll on him, his attitude on living has never changed.
I don't live to milk cows. I milk cows to make a living.
A motto that keeps this small dairy farm linked with the ag traditions of Frankenmuth Township. For This Week in Louisiana Agriculture, I'm Ryan Naquin.
The Weiss farm has been in the Weiss family since 1853, when Johann Leonard Weiss first purchased the land from the federal government. It's listed by the state of Michigan as one of its historic farms for having been in operation more than 150 years.